Hi, I'm Trishna. I'm the founder of Adda Veggie, and today I'm going to show you how to make patties and a meatless ground. Okay. First, we take our nutritious protein crumbles and rehydrate them in water for 5 minutes. Then we stir halfway through. Then combine with our Adda mix made of protein, prebiotic fiber, and spices. The next step is to add a veggie. So here is where you can get really creative. Mushrooms are a crowd pleaser for meatless ground or burgers, giving your dishes a satisfying and meaty texture. For a more veggie-forward patty, try a blend of rice, broccoli, and steamed sweet potatoes. And for a really versatile option, I suggest riced cauliflower. It's so easy to use and really soaks up flavor. Any of these you can prep the veggies fresh, use pre-steamed or thawed frozen veggies as appropriate. I also love using ends and stems and leftover salad bar veggies to reduce food waste. If you're making a meatless ground like we're doing with riced cauliflower, squeeze down until it's tightly packed. To make the patties, we'll start with the number 8 scoop, then form the mixture into balls, pressing firmly. If the mix or veggies are a little bit dry, you can sprinkle in some water to help it bind together better. At this point, you can refrigerate for up to a day, freeze for future service, or move to the cooking step immediately. Set your flat top to medium heat and coat with oil. When cooking the meatless ground, spread to cover 75% of the grill. This will help really crisp the edges. Chop it up to the right size for your dish, add a little more oil to crisp the edges, and cook until golden brown. For the patties, the secret to getting them nice and crispy is to smash them down to about ½ inch thick. Both the patties and the meatless ground are ready to be served. If you need to hold, you can put it in the oven at 145 degrees. When you're holding the ground crumble, hold it separate from the sauce and mix it when you're ready for service. And there you have it, a quick and nutritious house-made plant protein ready to incorporate into your meal service.